Just want to do a quick video on this so you guys can see a little bit about it. Here's a fan. I put this on loosely, but this will be shipped separately. Here's the motor. Here are the connections coming off of it. Has these sort of terminals. W-N-A-B-I-N-G-T-O-N, Newton, Mass. Olsen. Oh, there it is. A little bit clearer on that side. And then I noticed some writings over here. I'll just call it out. It's 1791 and then 115 volts at 60 hertz, 4.5 watts, model 1050. Brand new, high quality. There you have it. And then I'll just zoom in on here a little bit too. This is kind of like a spring type clip. And when this is in operation, this spins pretty quick, so keep your fingers away so you don't hurt yourself. There, that went on real simple. All right.